Hi, here's Jonah from Selling Paper, and today let me show our labels in row and labels in fan fold for you. Thermal labels is very important for all business, and it's reduced printing waste, and it's great solutions for shipping labels, barcode labels, and more.
The two most common formats for thermal labels are row and fan fold.
Fan fold label is a stock of thermal labels, and it's with zigzag, kind of like it's with tear line between the labels, and it's very easy to tear up.
When you are printing, the stock will be rest behind of your printer, fading through the back and coming out the front. They don't need a liner or a core, so they use less waste because of their core mate. Meanwhile, it weighs less cost to produce, which means a cheaper cost for label. And fan fold labels are easy to store in a long time. For row labels, we can roll. A fan fold stock can be easily transported and packed in large quantities, while still being compact. Also, fan fold labels self-stock out of your printer. This means you can leave your printer unattended as you print labels and expect a neatly folded pile of printed labels. When you get back our fan fold labels, also including more labels for stock than most other options. If you are doing a lot of printing, choosing fan fold label could save your time and energy reloading your link labels. And if your thermal printer requires your labels to sit inside your printer, you are going to need a compatible row. Speaking of row labels, as the name suggests, these labels come around a core. This allows for high-speed speaking, creating an efficient and repeat label production system. Depending on which printer you have, a row of labels can either be installed in the printer. Because of their shape and size, label rows can be trickier to store and maybe need more space than stock of fan fold labels. They also produce more waste with their liners and cardboard cores. You can learn more about both our row labels and fan fold labels by checking out the link in the description below.
If you like our video, and give us a like and follow our channel. Thanks for watching.